You're coming to Albania, make sure you make time to check out Gjirokaster.
Yeah, I got it. But I couldn't find it.
Yo, what's up with it, guys? So, last day in Gjirokaster, and I am legit gutted. So far, my favorite place on the trip through southern Albania. This place is absolutely crazy. I love it. Man, it makes Berat look really small. Like, this is, the old town is at least twice the size of it. The food has been just off the chain. I 100% recommend you guys come and check out Gjirokaster. This town is incredible. I hope I haven't been butchering the pronunciation, but man, I really love this town. Coffee. All right, guys, so to summarize, Gjirokaster is definitely my favorite place on the trip. Probably next to Saranda, I would say, because I was very impressed with Saranda, but for very different reasons. This is by far my favorite spot so far, so if you're coming to Albania, make sure you make time to check out Gjirokaster, and I bet this would probably be a really fun place to even base out for like a month and just explore the surrounding area, because there's so much history over here, it's crazy. Anyway, guys, the food is spectacular. Probably some of the best food I've had in Albania. Just really, really impressed. What do you think of when you think of Albania? I think of opportunity. I think of a country that's open. I think of a country that wants long-stay expats, that wants people to come and invest, wants new ideas, and is looking towards the West. I think that Albania is a beautiful country with incredible landscapes that can offer a very comfortable lifestyle at a very reasonable price. We will help navigate your journey to becoming an expat in Albania. We're working with some of the top lawyers. We can help establish businesses. We can help you get your residency. We can help you get real estate. We can arrange almost any contact that you might need for the process of moving here in almost any city in the country. We will simplify the process. We'll make it a lot easier for you to move to a country that maybe in the past would have been more of a challenge. With our help, it's going to be a walk in the park.
Brush your face and wash your teeth, son.
Hey, what's up? I'm D from Canada. Hook up with the New York Nomad if you want a smooth ride into Vietnam or any Southeast Asian countries.
Hey, my name is Aaron. Get in contact with the New York Nomads. If you want to get into Vietnam, hit them up. They'll get you in securely and professionally.
Yo, this is Uncle Hollywood. I'm telling you right now, the New York Nomad got me a job. He's legit. Hit him up. Check him out.
New York Nomad set me up in Vietnam.
Yo, my man got me a job. Come to Vietnam.
Hey, what's up, guys? You thinking about coming to Vietnam? You're not sure where to start? You've heard a lot of things online. You don't know what's true, you don't know what's not. We offer a consulting service where we help you get on your feet in Vietnam. We give you advice on negotiating contracts with employers. We help you with real estate agents, visa agents that are reliable and that you can trust. We help you get started in this amazing country and get on your feet. We help you get into different opportunities that might be more difficult for you if you were just landing in the country on your own. And we help you avoid a lot of the pitfalls and problems that you could have as a newcomer here. We provide you with reliable job recruiters, visa agents, real estate agents, and advice. If you guys are thinking about coming to Vietnam, hit us up for a consultation. We'll help you get started, help you get on your feet, and hopefully you'll love Vietnam as much as we do.